Good afternoon, YouTube. This is the before. Landscape, custom landscaping. This is a front yard landscape update. This is also a backyard landscape renovation. We really love the custom projects. So let's take a look really quick. The front, we won't be doing that much. We're going to be cleaning up the front and putting in some mulch. The biggest thing we're doing is repairing the irrigation to make sure everything works. We got to replace all of the irrigation valves, and we have to rewire the old this irrigation system was set up by the previous owner, and this is very typical whenever you have some older homes. We will have things that older homeowners could have done, like some of this type of wires. These are indications that you have a non-professional that has installed this irrigation system. So we're going to rewire it and replace the broken valves and hook up the situation. Now, let's take a look at the backyard before we got busy. Shout out to Tyler, we already got the trench going on. That's going to be where we're going to run our irrigation. The backyard, as you can see, needs a lot of TLC. Gotta remember to take pictures too. This is not just a video, no, I have to take pictures. We're up against it right now because we got a holiday hurricane coming in. There's a tree that we're going to be taking down. Magnolia. We want to have more lawn here. We don't want a tree there. So we're going to take him out so he's not in the way. We don't want him in the way. So this whole area will be grass, wall to wall. And as we always are doing, is we are the guys that come in and fix the yard after the pool guys come in and hook it up. Now this is one of the cooler pools. This is really sharp, so we're really excited to come in and finish this out. We will be doing a white river rock border around the pool, and that will complement the travertine deck nicely. It's like I can't wait till this is done. We're like the icing on the cake because we show up when all of the other work has been done and everyone wants to get the final view of the yard, but they can't because of bushes, and they can't because of all of the leftover construction from the pool team. So we're happy to bring the baton across the finish line. Okay, now where's the gate? Okay, we're also going to clean up the other side over here and make some fancy for the entrance. Let me go over here. I really don't want to. It's like you don't even want to walk on the travertine. So very nice, very nice. This area we're going to hook up. We're going to hook up, put some travertine, and make this area a durable but attractive area. So when you walk in and out, you're not tracking in mud and dirt, and you also don't have to worry about trying to mow an area that doesn't. It's not going to respond well to being mowed. Okay, so that's the before. We are excited about this project. Can't wait to hear what you think about the project. Let me go back out in the street. We're here in beautiful Neptune Beach. For a free quote, give us a call.